Hey everybody, welcome to the Sandals Insider. My name is Megan, and today we're going to focus on a room at Beaches Negril. So I thought now would be the perfect time to focus on one of these rooms because my family is actually headed down there in 2 weeks. We're super excited to explore this resort, check it out for you, take pictures. All of that's going to be posted on my Instagram, a little bit on TikTok, so please follow those as well. But today I wanted to focus on two rooms that are on the 777 this week. So, as you know, every Wednesday, Sandals and Beaches release seven rooms for Sandals and seven rooms for Beaches that are an additional 7% off. And because right now there are only two Beaches resorts open, the Turks and Caicos Resort and the Beaches in Negril, that means that there are usually three or four at rooms at each resort that get this additional 7% off. So I'm not seeing a ton of variation between these rooms, but there is always something good every week. And so today we're going to Beaches Negril and we are going to focus on the tropical Oceanview Oversized Concierge Walkout Family Suite. And then that same room, that big long name that I just said, I'll put it right up here, that is not a walkout. So the difference between the walkout is it's on the ground floor, and the room that doesn't say walkout in the name, that's just going to be on a higher floor. So Beaches Negril is a much smaller resort than Beaches Turks and Caicos. So regardless of where you are, it's very easy to walk to between all of the different restaurants, bars, pools, and the beach is really the highlight at this resort. It is on Jamaica's famous 7 Mile Beach. You got a lot of great beachfront, and the resort is more long as opposed to being deep. So most rooms are very accessible to the beach. And if you've been to this resort before too, you know that the water park for the kiddos is more centrally located and it's also closer to the beach as well. So when you're here, you really feel like everything is very easy to navigate. And I know that that's super important when having little kids because my kids at least never want to stay at the same place. We're always jumping from the ocean to the pool to go getting some ice cream. We're never sitting in the same spot for very long. So this is the perfect resort for moving around, enjoying yourself, and always feeling like you're close to everything. But these two rooms are going to be good. I feel like for families of four, they can fit up to five. So what you get with these oversized rooms is going to be a king bed. And then it's a very large room, but in the same room, there's no partition or anything. You're going to get a twin bed that has a trundle. So that's going to be good for one kid on the twin, one kid on the trundle. I'll tell you that we were just in Beaches, Turks and Caicos, and because of just the room configurations, we were there with a lot of people in a different type of room. I actually slept on one of these day beds myself, and it was perfectly fine for an adult too. So you've got the king bed for two, you've got the day bed, you've got a trundle, and then there is also a sofa that pulls out and can accommodate one more child. It's like a twin bed sofa that pulls out. So you can technically get a family of five in these rooms. These are the concierge level. So that means you get the perks of the concierge check-in and the additional items in the mini bar as well. The rooms in the concierge service are typically larger. But what I really want to highlight is all of the promos that are going on right now. So if you follow Sandals or Beaches, you're probably getting a ton of different sales ads right now. And that's really because they have so many different things that can be stacked on top of each other that play off of the 777 promo. So not only for either one of these rooms can you get the additional 7% off, where when you're looking at the pricing online, that 7% off is going to be reflected in the pricing that they give you. They also have many other deals that are happening on top of that, some of which can be stacked and you have to register for them. So that's why I always stress it's so important. Use a travel advisor like myself. It's not going to cost you any more money, and we can help to make sure that you're getting these deals. So right now, they've got a lot of different things. One thing they're not advertising a lot is they are offering for bookings happening this year, August, September, October. They are offering a free weather protection plan with any of those bookings. Okay, so the next deal that they have, which again, they're not advertising very much, or at least they haven't yet, is called the Tiny Traveler Passport Program or something along those lines. And what it is that children 5 and under get a $135 resort credit that you can use at the resort. Obviously, the parents will be in charge of that, but you can use it for things for the kids as well. And that is for up to 2 kids max of $270 resort credit. So that is a phenomenal offer that they are extending for any travelers who make vacation plans through November of next year. So November 1st of 2026, this is going to be available. And we have the Fall Fam Jam sale, which I've mentioned before. So this is exclusive to beaches as well. And if you travel for 5 or more nights, you are going to get a free Sesame Street character breakfast for kids under 5, up to 2 kids, a free yoga with Elmo, sunrise yoga, which is super fun. I just saw it happening when I was in Turks the last time, and it's definitely something that if you're getting that freebie, you are going to want to check out, up to 2 kids under 5 as well. And then they're also offering on top of that a spa credit for $175. So parents can take advantage of some time at the spa, drop your kids off at the kids club, get them in an activity, and you can go enjoy that spa credit. Okay, so we have all of those things, and then we still have another one. We have the splash sale. So that is going to be available for 5 plus nights, and it is a free catamaran cruise for up to 4 people. So you get a voucher, and then once you get on the resort, you go to the island routes desk, and they tell you what times and dates are available, and you can cash that in and go on a free catamaran cruise with your family. For 7 plus nights, they have spa credits as well. So, just to recap, we have the 2 great rooms on 777 this week that we talked about that are going to be an additional 7% off through next week, Tuesday. And if you are watching this and it's past those dates, just check in with me. What I can do for you is I can always throw down deposits on rooms. They're fully refundable. It holds your date, locks you in. And if your rooms go on sale in the future, I can make sure to get those prices adjusted while still locking in for you all of these great bonus offers as well. So it's super important. If you want to go, if you want to take advantage of these deals, now is definitely the time to book. Free weather protection being added in for travelers going this fall in 2025. We've got the Tiny Traveler Passport program for the resort credits. We've got the Fall Fam Jam sale for the yoga and the character breakfast and the spa credits. And then we also have the splash sale as well, where you can rack up those catamaran cruise for free as well. And I've done that with my family and it's super fun. So we are booking into 2027. If you are interested in going to Beaches Negril or Beaches Turks and Caicos, please let me know. I can run your dates and I can see which of these offers we can stack on top of each other to get you the very best rates and get your family on the beach. Follow along as I travel to Jamaica in 2 weeks on Instagram and TikTok, and follow this page so that you can always stay up to date on the current sales offers and 777 room highlights. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.